Good day, dear viewers, indeed. After watching several reviews about Alexander, I also decided not to stay on the sidelines and share my impressions with my thoughts. My name is Kanat. I am over 50 years old, and I have been struggling with stuttering my whole life. I have had 2 very productive sessions with Alexander. As of today will be the 3rd one that will provide what I might want to say. I dug through the internet in one resource. I went through both, but found nothing. Found that information, let's say, that should have been useful to me. There is a lot. Well, it's all just nonsense there. 7 verse to the heavens and that's it. All nonsense of what is useful. Alexander, he has experienced all of this himself. He was in that school. He understands how it all happens, how to get rid of it. I think that a horseman will not understand a pedestrian, and a stuttering person really won't understand that. How to get cured from this. And Alexander is exactly the person who has fought through this and is now sharing his experience with his children, how he did it. I am very grateful for that. At this moment, just believe me. What about the horse? And this more indeed, perhaps? Well, there isn't anyone knowledgeable in this matter. As of today, there is no such person who can really help to get rid of this ailment. You're healthy, strong, full of strength and energy, a man, but at the same time you stutter, you can do nothing. That's a big downside, and a healthy person just won't understand. A stutterer, indeed, you can do absolutely nothing. That's a big downside. A healthy person just won't understand. I am very grateful to Alexander for what he is doing. It's a very important thing. It's an important thing. Of course. Let's say like this, that no one does this, but it won't match the quality of the price we receive. I hope you understand who I'm talking about. So, Alexander. It's modernized, improved, presented, and refined. As they often say, step by careful step. That is to say, one single step at a time. He explains how it should be done, what needs to be done, not in a rush, not hurrying. That is, there is no goal there to revive themselves at our expense, but to really help. So I highly recommend him. Trust my experience to this day. There isn't more, how to put it, there's no one more knowledgeable about this illness than Alexander. So everything that the speech therapists do, we've all been through that for more than a decade. This is all foam, this is water. I don't know, maybe that's how they built their business, but the code won't be experienced. So, don't delay. Just don't delay. It's so great when you're not replacing the words that he can't say. In other words, don't go off on some absurd tangent, just say what you want. You express your thoughts clearly and distinctly. That's how it is. Replacing words and trying to be clever, in the end the interlocutor concludes that you are most likely not for Qatar. Most likely it's not good for the head. So I highly recommend it. Thank you, Alexander. Cool.